Corsey here. In this question we're given a diagram showing a cone. We're told that the diameter of the cone is 6 units and its height is 8 units. And we have to write down the coordinates of the point A and the point B. So that's three-dimensional coordinates, an X, a Y and a Z coordinates. Let's have a closer look at what we mean by these. Here's an example, X, Y, Z axes, and we're showing the point 1, 2, 3. X coordinate 1 would mean we have to travel 1 unit parallel to the x-axis. X coordinate, the y coordinate 2, we have to travel 2 units parallel to the y-axis. Z coordinate 3, we have to travel 3 units up parallel to the z-axis, and then we'll arrive at the point P. So that's the idea of three-dimensional coordinates shown in this diagram. So in particular, let's get to the point A. X coordinate. How far to get to the point A do we need to travel parallel to the x-axis? Well, that's that distance from there to there. Same as the distance from there to there. And you'll notice that that's half the distance across the base of the cone. Remember that the centre of the circle, that is the base of the cone, is halfway along that diameter. Now we're told the diameter is 6, so all the way from this point right across the circular base to this point is 6 units. So half of that would be 3 and this other half would be 3. So we've travelled from O to A a distance of 3 units. Now how far along parallel to the y-axis have we to travel to get to A? Well, we don't, because we're at A. And we don't have to travel up the z-axis at all, parallel to the z-axis to get to A. So x coordinates 3, the y and the z coordinates are both 0. Now let's do a similar thing for the point B, which is way up here. So first of all, how far along parallel to the x-axis do we go? Well, we've already established 3 units for that. So how far do we need to now go parallel to the y-axis to get directly underneath this point B? Well, again, that's a radius of that circular base of the cone, so that must also be 3 units. And then how far up parallel to the z-axis do we go? The height, we're told, is 8 units. So all in all, that journey to get from the origin up to the point B, we've travelled 3 units parallel to x, 3 units parallel to y, 8 units parallel to z. So the coordinates are 3, 3, 8. That's Mr. Corsey signing out. Hope you enjoyed the video.